Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make this cute carrot sign out of ribbon. For the materials, you'll need a pre-made palette sign, green and orange ribbon, a greenery pick, a hot glue gun, and scissors. First, figure out where you'd like the greenery pick and glue it down. For reference, this one is supposed to look like cilantro. Then determine how much orange ribbon you need by mocking up the design. Cut the ribbon. Then glue it in the pattern you mocked up. After that, make a bow with the green ribbon. This took me a while to get it how I'd like. Cut the end and glue it to the top of the carrot. And that's it! I love how this turned out, and it's the perfect addition to my Easter and spring decor. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please make sure to like, comment, or subscribe below. Thanks for watching. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.